Today we're putting two 16-inch gaming laptops head-to-head, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 and the HP OMEN MAX 16. One focuses on balanced performance with efficiency, while the other pushes a more premium, high-power experience with stronger hardware across the board. We'll compare their CPUs, GPU performance, displays, thermals, battery life, and everyday usability to see which one actually fits your setup best. Product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. The ROG Strix G16 comes in with the RTX 5060 laptop GPU, while the OMEN MAX 16 steps up to the RTX 5080. On the Strix side, you're getting solid modern Blackwell efficiency tuned for mainstream AAA gaming, with strong performance at 1080p and decent headroom for competitive titles. The OMEN MAX, however, pushes into a much higher performance tier, delivering far stronger frame rates, better ray tracing stability, and significantly improved high-resolution gaming behavior. In real-world use, especially under heavy graphical loads, the advantage clearly goes to the OMEN MAX for its raw gaming power and higher ceiling. On memory dedicated to graphics, the Strix G16 is equipped with 8GB VRAM, while the OMEN MAX 16 doubles that with 16GB VRAM. The Strix handles current games well at medium to high settings, but begins to feel tighter when textures are pushed or when future-heavy titles demand more bandwidth. The OMEN, on the other hand, maintains much smoother performance in ultra textures, large open-world environments, and creator workloads like rendering or AI-based tasks. That extra buffer translates into noticeably better stability under pressure. The edge naturally leans toward the OMEN MAX for its stronger long-term headroom. Powering the Strix G16 is the Intel Core i7-14650HX, while the OMEN MAX 16 uses the Intel Core Ultra 9 series chip. The Strix processor delivers reliable 16-core performance with strong gaming responsiveness and solid multitasking. The OMEN's chip, however, pushes harder in sustained workloads, offering smoother performance when gaming and streaming or handling heavy productivity tasks at the same time. You'll notice better consistency under long sessions, especially when everything is running together. The advantage goes to the OMEN MAX for its stronger high-load stability and overall processing headroom. The Strix G16 is equipped with 16GB DDR5 memory, while the OMEN MAX 16 doubles that with 32GB RAM. On the Strix, gaming feels smooth and responsive for most modern titles, but multitasking starts to push limits when background apps, browsers, or streaming tools are involved. The OMEN, however, maintains far more breathing room, handling heavy multitasking, content creation, and gaming simultaneously without slowdown. That extra capacity translates into noticeably better system stability under pressure. The edge clearly belongs to the OMEN MAX for its stronger multitasking headroom and future-proofing. Both laptops come with a 1TB SSD, keeping storage capacity equal across the board. The Strix delivers fast boot times and quick game loading thanks to its PCIe-based setup, making it reliable for everyday gaming and large libraries. The OMEN MAX also offers high-speed loading performance, but feels more consistent when dealing with heavier file transfers or large project work. Since neither device has a capacity advantage, the real difference comes down to sustained responsiveness under workload pressure. Even here, the OMEN MAX slightly pulls ahead with better overall system consistency during heavy usage. The Strix G16 features a 16-inch FHD Plus 165Hz panel, focusing on smooth gameplay and fast response times, while the OMEN MAX 16 upgrades to a WQXGA display with higher resolution and sharper detail clarity. The Strix feels fluid in competitive gaming, but the lower resolution limits visual sharpness in modern AAA titles. The OMEN delivers a noticeably more detailed and immersive viewing experience, especially for cinematic games and creative work. When you combine clarity, resolution, and overall visual impact, the edge clearly goes to the OMEN MAX for its more premium display experience. The Strix G16 uses a tri-fan cooling system with vapor chamber and liquid metal for fast heat control during gaming spikes. The OMEN MAX 16 uses an advanced thermal design with an unleashed mode focused on sustained high power in long sessions. The Strix responds quickly to temperature changes, while the OMEN holds more stable performance under continuous load. That results in fewer performance dips over time, and the advantage goes to the OMEN MAX for stronger, sustained thermal consistency. So if you want maximum performance, higher resolution gaming, and stronger future-proofing, the OMEN MAX 16 is the better pick. But if you prefer a more balanced, efficient gaming laptop that still handles modern titles really well without going all in on top-tier hardware, the ROG Strix G16 is the smarter value choice.